let us go on with AutoUpgrade in this case, when we do unplug-plug upgrades. So we upgrade a single PDB. And you see it already in the animation. We unplug, we plug in, we run the upgrade. Sounds very straightforward, is very straightforward. And this gives us also a lot of flexibility. It requires a compatible target CDB. So when my source is on AIX and my target can't then be on Linux. And it doesn't allow me a seamless flashback database because I'm going really into a new database. We have another technique later on, refreshable PDBs. So what do we need? This is a short config file, but let me show you a demo. So we start off here, and let me show you the config file here in the demo. This is the SID of my source. This is the target CDB I'm plugging in, and the PDB. So this PDB1 is in CDB 12102. If we have more PDBs, we just use comma separated lists. And source home, target home 12102, 19C. Okay. Now I call AutoUpgrade with that config file and mode analyze. This will analyze now my source plugin database, but it will do also the plugin compatibility check for me. So let's check here in the status log if there's anything we should be aware of. And the status log tells us version before 12.1, after 19, log files, but most important, the pre-check is passed and no manual intervention needed. Sounds good. Let's start off with a deploy. So deploy will now do everything. It will unplug the PDB and will plug it in and then run the upgrade. So you see, when I do a LSJ, the unplug-plug has already been finished. The upgrade started. I get more information with a status command. So it gives me a summary of the stage. Now we are 3 minutes into the upgrade, all the log directories, and upgrading now already 6%. This goes forward. And after a while, the job is now finished. That's good, without any failure, but let us check. Let me connect to my CDB2. And in my CDB2, I check now for the existing pluggable databases. And here it is. PDB1 here in 19C, read, write, open, everything done, everything completed. Just one command in AutoUpgrade, all done. Very flexible, very simple, very straightforward. So if we want more PDBs, as I said before, we just use a comma separated list. If you would like to rename the PDB, you would use target PDB name, and now we have the sub-attribute dot PDB1, which is the PDB name of the source. And I rename it here into sales. And I do basically the same thing if I want to use the copy option for certain PDBs. So copy option dot PDB1, file name convert, and so on. And for various PDBs, I would just use various entries here.